Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everyone's having a good day out there. Today I'm going to give milk bath nails another try, this time with just gel polishes, no flowers, so that if you use regular polish or gel polish, you should be able to do this easy, lickety split. To remind you, last time I used various flowers that I cut up like this. And the rest of the process after that will be pretty much the same. I'll link the video up here. But this time I'm going to use solid painting gels from Modelones. I have with me number 9. This is solid, but it's smooth. So this way I figured I wouldn't have to do as much curing. And this is number 6. This is number 10. Gorgeous colors, and I don't have a solid green, so I'm going to use Modelones Christmas Tree for my green. Last time I used Edelweiss for the white. I found my African white, so I'm going to use African white. I'm going to use to apply the colors. I'm going to use a number 2 gel brush. I'm thinking of using a number 8 oval that I just got in. Both of these I haven't used yet. I'm going to try them out. I'm going to use a toothpick to stir. I always use a makeup sponge to wipe off my brushes with. That's just me. Of course, I'm going to top coat at the end. Last time I used top coat in my milk mixture. This time I'm going to try base coat. Okay, I have African white. I just put a little bit in there. I'm not even sure how much I'm going to use. And then I'm going to pour some base coat in. So a lot of you know that I keep hard gel on my nails. I don't use a lot of base coat, but a lot of sets come with base coat. And since I don't have to cover the flowers, I figured let's give this a shot and see. Now there's no right or wrong ratio of the colors. Just if you start putting it on and it's too opaque, stop, add a little bit more to it. If not, I can add more. It's harder to, I don't want to waste all my colors up. So we'll use this last, but right before the top coat. And I also have Christmas Tree. I don't know if I showed that to you from Modelones. Just on a little lid, that way I can cure this afterwards. I can cure this after I'm done and pluck it off and reuse it. So let's give this a go. Of course, you'd have your nails prepped, base coated, all that good stuff first. So I'm just going to use these 3 colors and just play around making something that looks like broken up flowers and hope that this works. I could use, like, it had round, where's it at? It has, I used round flowers and the little pieces of flowers. I'm just going to try to recreate something like that. Just some random flowery details. And with the creams, I can go all over. I could probably use the dotting tool. Even flowers don't have a perfect shape to them. I'm going to try not to put them in the exact same spot, just because that's how I would like it to look. There's no right or wrong, just do what you feel like doing. If you like to wear it, you like to wear it. Make these ones a little bit bigger, I think. I don't know. It's not the boldest of the colors, so I guess it should have been the medium flower, but I have even numbers. I don't know why, it's just me. My thing. I don't want this to look like a dot here, so I'm just adjusting so that they don't look like dots per se. this one doesn't have. I'm just wiping my brush onto the sponge to get rid of that color. Going in with the light color. Just making a different pattern with the light. Remember, this is like chewed up, cut up flowers. Forgot all about it. I'm gonna have to put green on here. Guess I should make a little bit more, because that's gonna look closer to a green stalk. We don't want that to look like that. I might not have room for my purple. Wiping off my brush. We'll get a couple spots of purple in here. This is the most vibrant of the colors, so I'm just going to put, say, just a tiny little bit in there. I'm not even sure if this is going to work out or not. Guess I forgot to put something up near my tips and down here. But at least I've got green to go, right? Wiping off my brush. Let me give these a close. See, I still haven't cured these. They don't move anywhere. Now I have the Christmas tree. I'm going to attempt now, hopefully, to make something that resembles some type of a stem, a leafy substance in here. If I had the cream gels, I would be a lot easier. This will work, I would assume. It's gonna look something, I don't know. Just trying to figure out which way I would like it. As most of you know, I don't practice my nail art before I come on. I just get on here and just do it. Everybody can learn with me. Being this is the regular gel polish, I'm going to have to make sure that I don't put it on too thick. But this is not a super opaque color. Just don't want to have any bubblies. I'm worried it won't show through. I thought it was a lot darker than it was. I should have started with my small finger so that I would have got better as I got towards the bigger ones. Okay, looks like a mess, but we'll see. Let me give these a full cure in my lamp. Okay, now it's time for that mixture of base coat and African white. And we'll just see how I do. Just putting a little on. If it's too white, I'm gonna have to go back and add some more. Too white. Luckily that is gel. Just wipe it off with some alcohol. Figure since it's base coat, it is a thinner substance than top coat. I think last time I put way too much white down first too. So it's a little bit more than 50-50 on these colors, I believe. They're just ultra pigmented colors. I'm trying to take that pigmentation away. Give it a try again. I think that's what I want. May have gone overboard. I'm gonna have to turn my hand around. I never know with white what I'm getting. And since it's just a thin color, you can put more than one coat. I probably should have layered the colors in there. Just getting more gel. And since it's not super opaque now, it will cure a lot easier. I'm gonna probably give this 2 coats. It's going to take 2 coats. Just trying to get them relatively even a little bit. Probably fussing way too much, but I always do. Let me give this a cure and be right back. Okay, to me it's still too light. Try to do one more coat. See if I made a milk bath look. So I could have got away with 1 coat if I hadn't put so much paste gel. So it's your choice if you want to do thinner, thicker, whatever's your prerogative to do. This cup's like getting in my way. I need room to breathe. I don't want them super white. I just want to tone down the color. If you're ever finding that your gel polish is starting to flood, just turn your hand over, make sure it's off your skin. That will help you out a lot. But this is supposed to be an imperfect type of manicure. Just you don't want it on your skin. Just dip a little cleanup brush in alcohol. Make sure it's not soaking wet. Get it off of your skin. And flip it upside down if you need to. I'm going to give these a cure, a top coat. Okay everyone, this is my finished look. I could go ahead and embellish them a little bit more. I'm going to get cleaned up and take a picture and put it at the end of the video. Have a great day everyone. Thank you so much for watching me. I really do appreciate every single minute, every comment. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.